Have you ever felt that uncomfortable burning in your chest after eating, or woken up in the middle of the night with a bitter taste in your mouth, unable to sleep because of heartburn? If the feeling of a full stomach, gas, or reflux is interfering with your life, this video is for you. On Healthy You, we're going to reveal natural and powerful solutions to relieve heartburn and reflux, helping you feel lighter, more comfortable, and with a better quality of life without relying on temporary medications. Like this video now and subscribe to Healthy You to receive weekly practical tips that will transform your health. Stay with me until the end to discover foods and simple habits that can change your routine and eliminate this discomfort once and for all. At Healthy You, our commitment is to bring reliable information to help you live better, so don't miss this chance to take control of your health. Heartburn is a problem almost everyone has faced at least once. It happens when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, irritating the lining because the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that separates the stomach from the esophagus, doesn't work properly. This causes that burning in the chest, the feeling of a full stomach, gas, bitter mouth, and even trouble sleeping. Fatty, spicy, or processed foods, as well as excessive alcohol, coffee, or smoking, are the main villains that worsen these symptoms. The good news, in most cases, heartburn is not a serious condition and can be controlled with simple changes in your routine. Shall we find out how? First, let's talk about habits that make all the difference. In your diet, prefer fresh foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains, and avoid processed foods full of fat, preservatives, or dyes. Eat smaller portions more often throughout the day, and avoid eating too close to bedtime. Another golden tip: chew slowly, without talking while eating, to avoid swallowing air, which causes gas and that bloated stomach feeling. It's also important not to drink liquids during meals, as this can interfere with digestion. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, but leave that glass of water for outside mealtime. Reduce your alcohol intake, as it relaxes the esophageal sphincter and worsens reflux, and opt for looser clothing, which helps your digestive system work better. If these tips are already helping you, leave a like and share this with someone who needs it. Now, let's move on to home remedies that can transform your relationship with heartburn. First, apple cider vinegar. Although it's acidic, it helps balance the stomach's pH, reducing burning and gas. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drink it 20 minutes before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try it and tell us in the comments if it worked for you. Second, ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It soothes stomach irritation and even nausea. You can chew ginger pieces, make tea up to 4 cups a day, or include grated ginger in a morning shot on an empty stomach. It's even great for pregnant women with heartburn. Third, fennel tea, which has antispasmodic properties and improves digestion. Boil 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water for 5 minutes, strain, and drink 20 minutes before meals. Attention! Pregnant women should avoid this tea. Fourth remedy, good old bananas. Rich in fiber and pectin, they absorb excess stomach acid and have anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe irritation. They're practical, tasty, and everyone has them at home. Fifth, lettuce tea, which may surprise you. It's rich in enzymes that reduce inflammation of the stomach lining and has a calming effect. Boil 30 grams of well-washed lettuce leaves in 500 milliliters of water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink 3 to 4 cups a day. Sixth, oats, an excellent source of soluble fiber that neutralizes acidity. Try them at breakfast, like in a sugar-free pancake. Seventh, chamomile tea, known for its calming and antioxidant properties. Drink a cup after meals to relieve heartburn, and yes, pregnant women can drink it. Eighth, kale, full of nutrients and fiber that absorbs stomach acid. Eat it raw, shredded in salads, to keep its anti-inflammatory benefits. Ninth, celery, rich in fiber and vitamins that helps reduce acidity. It's common in Asian cuisine and very versatile. Lastly, sweet potato, with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins like B6 and C, which keep the digestive system healthy and fight inflammation. Add it to your diet regularly. Do you already use any of these natural remedies? Tell us in the comments, we'd love to know. But a warning: if heartburn happens more than twice a week, comes with intense pain, difficulty swallowing, weight loss, nausea, vomiting, cough, or hoarseness, it's time to see a gastroenterologist. These symptoms may indicate something more serious, like gastroesophageal reflux disease, ulcers, gastritis, or esophagitis. And an important alert, chest burning can be confused with heart problems, like a heart attack, especially if you have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, if you smoke, or have a family history of heart disease. In that case, consult a cardiologist immediately to rule out risks. If this video helped you, take a look at the material I've left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that will completely transform your routine in the kitchen and help you reach your goals faster than you think. Heartburn is a common problem, often caused by habits like overeating, eating fatty or spicy foods, drinking alcohol or coffee, smoking, or wearing very tight clothes. But with today's tips, simple routine changes, and natural remedies, you can live with more comfort and health. If you liked these solutions, share this video with friends and family who need these tips. Subscribe to Healthy You for more content that takes care of your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.